Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today's topic is magic method. Python magic method is defined as a special method which adds magic to a class. Starts and ends with double underscores. For example, underscore underscore int underscore underscore or underscore underscore str underscore underscore. The built-in class define many magic methods. The dir function can be used to see the number of magic methods inherited by a class. It has two prefix and suffix underscore in the method name. Right. It's Python magic. Dir. Right. You can see on the screen that dir we have this underscore underscore bulletin, and there are many magic methods which you can see it on the screen. So let's discuss on some of them, important of them. It is mostly frequently used to define overloaded behaviors of predefined operators. That is underscore underscore init int underscore underscore. The underscore underscore int underscore underscore method is called after the instance of the class has been created, but before it returns to the caller. It is invoked without any call when an instance of the class is created, like constructors in other programming languages such as C++, Java, C Sharp, PHP, etc. These methods are also known as initialize and are called after underscore new underscore. It's where you should initialize the instance variables. The next one, underscore underscore str underscore underscore. This function computes informal or C nicely printable string representation of an object and must return a string object. The next one, underscore underscore repr underscore underscore. This function is called by the repr built-in function to compute the official string representation of an object and returns a machine readable representation of a type. The goal of the underscore repr underscore is to begin unambiguous. Next one, underscore underscore len underscore underscore. This function should return the length of an object. The next one is call. We can make an object callable by adding the underscore call underscore magic method, and it is another method that is not needed quite as often is underscore call underscore. If defined in a class, then that class can be called, but if it was a function instance itself rather than modifying. The next one, del. Just as underscore int, which is a constructor method, underscore del is like a destructor. If you have opened a file in underscore int underscore, then underscore del underscore can close it. Now bytes. It offers to compute a byte string representation of an object and should return a string object. G. This method gets invoked when operator is used and returns true or false. And the next one is neg. This function gets called for the unary operator. IPO. This function gets called on the exponents with arguments, example a star star is equal to b. IE. This function gets called on comparing using less than or equal to operator. Non-zero. This function returns the Boolean value of the object. It gets invoked when the bool self function is called. These are the some important magic methods what we have discussed in this session. Hope you guys understood it. There are many magic methods. The more you get into the deeper, you'll find out about the magic methods in deeper way. Right, guys, this is the end of this session. So I'll join you next session. Till then, you take care. Bye.